Hey guys, welcome to VW Classic Fix. I'm Ricky, and today we're going to be looking at a really easy way of how you can clean your spark plugs. If they're still in good condition, but for some reason maybe the engine has been running a bit rich, or you've had some oil deposits build up on the end of your plugs, maybe you're halfway through tuning it, and you just need to clean the spark plugs to sort of reset them so that they can give off a nice clean spark. You've obviously checked the gap, and these spark plugs are still good for another 3 or 6 months at least. Then it's worthwhile looking to heat treat them, clean them up, and you can use them again. Okay, so assuming we've removed all of the spark plugs out of the car, we can now go ahead and fix one in the vise. And as you can see, this one's pretty well blackened up. There's quite a lot of soot on here, so it looks like the beetle's been running rich. So what we're going to do is clean all of this off with a lot of heat. It can take a few minutes, but it does work really effectively. We've obviously already checked the spark plug to make sure that there's no leakage or anything around the ceramic, that the washer's in good condition, and that in generally overall the point gap and the electrode are all in really good condition. There's no breakdown, and of course any wear and tear is going to come to fruition when you actually clean the spark plug. You will notice whether or not there is any further damage underneath that black. So what you want to do under ventilation, safety in mind of course, we're going to take a blowtorch and we're going to go ahead and clean all this carbon off. Let's give it a go. So there we go. We've just managed to spend probably about 3 or 4 minutes there with the blowtorch on there, but as you can see it's removed all of the carbon. The carbon's eventually got so hot it's just burnt and been forced to dissipate into a dust and remove itself off the metal. So we've got a nice squeaky clean spark plug. We can look at checking the gap on that now. Obviously we're going to need to let that cool. The vise and the spark plug are going to be very hot. But now we can move on to doing the other three, and we can get back to tuning our Beetle or Combi.